shade. Over there, see. చూడండి ఇది డాలస్ స్టేషన్ ఏమంటారు డాలస్ స్టేషన్ అయితే ఇక్కడ ట్రైన్లో వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చండి ఎవరైనా. మనము ఫ్లైట్ దిగితే కూడా ఫ్రీ బస్సెస్ ఉంటాయి ట్రైన్ స్టేషన్కి. ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనము
On the first day, his prayer was heard. The rulers of darkness, which we will go read in the Bible in a second, held his prayers. That was called Prince of Persia. There is Prince of Houston, there's Prince of Dallas, there's Prince of Richmond, there's Prince of Rosenberg. There's the ruler of darkness everywhere. Somebody read Ephesians 6:12. The third category of powers, the rulers of darkness.
We're not fighting against the flesh and blood, against the principalities.